What to do, dental emergencies. As we all know, toothaches and any type of oral injury can be extremely painful and should be seen by a dentist immediately. Dental emergencies should be seen immediately by a dentist, day or night. These emergencies include broken teeth, teeth that have been knocked out, or teeth that have been forced out of the socket. With some emergencies, the cheeks, lips, or gums will have cuts or abrasions on them from where the teeth come out of the socket. If you've had a tooth recently knocked out, the first thing you should do is look for that tooth. When you've found the tooth, gently scrub it to get rid of any dirt or debris. Once you have cleaned it, you should place it back in your mouth between the cheek and gums. Whatever you do, you should never try to put it back in the socket. If you can make it to the dentist in time, he may be able to put the tooth back in place. If you've had a tooth come out of place, you can normally reposition it with your fingers. You shouldn't use a lot of force, simply because it could damage the tooth. You shouldn't force the tooth into place, rather try and jiggle it around. You can also use moist tissue to hold the tooth in place, until you can get to a dentist. If you've got a fractured tooth, the treatment will all depend upon how bad the tooth has been fractured. No matter how light the fracture may be, it is very important that you get to a dentist as soon as you can. Minor fractures aren't that bad, as they can normally be smoothed out using sandpaper. Sometimes, the tooth can also be restored with a composite. Either way, you'll need to make sure that you use extreme caution with the tooth for the next few days. The more moderate fractures normally include damage to the dentin, pulp, and even the enamel. These fractures can be nothing to worry about at times, yet painful with other cases. Providing the pulp hasn't been damaged, your dentist will be able to restore the full shape and function to the fractured tooth. In cases where pulp damage has occurred, the dentist may need to do a root canal or other type of serious surgery to repair the tooth. Whenever you encounter a dental emergency, you shouldn't hesitate to contact a dentist immediately. Your dentist will be able to assist you, fix the problem, and stop the pain. Dental emergencies can happen at any time, so you should always the emergency number of a dentist who will be there at a moment's notice. Tooth pain can be very excruciating, and you'll obviously want to get the problem fixed immediately. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, or anyone who would benefit from the video, and remember to click the subscribe button. Thank you.